Thank you, Dr. Thornton, and thank you for having me here today. It is my privilege and honor to be before you. I get the opportunity to speak to many organizations, and it's always great for me to speak to an organization that makes such a difference in the world. I really enjoyed listening to the presenters at the beginning because so much of what I'm going to talk about really resonates with what you're doing right here, right now. And honestly, I wish more organizations took the attitude that you take in terms of onboarding and empowering your employees. So really a terrific start for setting up for what we're going to talk about today. Now, we're going to speak about RESPECT. I usually have Aretha playing in the background, okay? Now, we're going to talk about it primarily from the role of leadership level and how you engage your employees and how you work with them in the area of respect. However, what we're going to talk about today applies equally to how we treat our students, how students treat one another. I say, obviously, bullying is a big issue in the school systems. I'm working with a number of different school systems. Respect is really the antidote for bullying, all right? Also going to talk about how we respect one another, respect, again, our community. So, again, we're going to, even your families. So, again, a lot of what we're going to talk about is focused on at the supervisory leadership level, but it's really much broader than that as well. One of the, I think, best compliments I got from somebody on Amazon was, you know, love the book for work, but I use it equally with my family.